In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the paper path in your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. To protect the internal mechanisms of your machine, remember not to touch or wipe the star wheels. On your operations panel, select Menu in the home screen. Then select Adjustment Maintenance and Maintenance. Choose Paper Transport Unit Cleaning. Read the following instructions closely, and when you are ready, select Next. Your machine will ask you permission to unlock the transport cover. Select Unlock. Open the transport unit cover like this. Now use a damp cloth to wipe the inside of the transport unit cover. Use an up and down motion. Afterwards, wipe the area dry with a soft cloth. Next, clean the interior of the machine here, remembering to dry them each time with the dry cloth. Now open the transport guide and gently wipe up and down. Dust collects easily on the platen, so give it a good clean to remove paper dust and ink smudges. When you are finished, you can go ahead and close the transport unit covers. Congratulations, you have successfully and safely cleaned the paper path. Congratulations, you have successfully and safely cleaned the paper path in your WG7000